Square root of 75 plus square root of 72 under square root. We have to simplify this. Let's try. Now square root of 75, this we can write it as 25 times 3 under square root. Then plus square root of 72, we can write 24 times 3 under square root. Now if a times b is under square root, we can write it as square root of a times square root of b. So this will be square root of 25 times square root of 3 plus square root of 24 times square root of 3, then all under square root. Now we can take square root of 3 common and write square root of 3, then times square root of 25 plus square root of 24, then all under square root, or square root of 3 then times square root of 25 is 5 plus square root of 24 we can simplify 4 times 6 under square root, then all under square root, or square root of 3 then times 5 plus this will be 2 times square root of 6, or when a times b is under square root, we can write it as square root of a times square root of b. So this we can write square root of 3 under square root, then times 5 plus 2 times square root of 6 under square root, or square root of 3 under square root, then times 5 we can write it as 3 plus 2, then plus 2 times square root of 6 we can write square root of 3 times square root of 2, again square root of 3 under square root times a we can write it as square root of a square, because square root means a is raised to the power of 1 upon 2. When we square it, it is equal to a raised to the power of 1 upon 2 times 2. This 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So 3 we can write it as square root of 3 square plus 2 we can write square root of 2 square and it is equal to 2 plus 2 times square root of 3 times square root of 2 all under square root. This we can write 3 raised to the power of 1 upon 2 for the square root, and then for this square root again raised to the power of 1 upon 2, then times, if square root of 3 is a and square root of 2 is b, then it is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab, and this is equal to a plus b whole square. So it will be square root of 3 plus square root of 2 whole square under square root. Now we can remove the square root with this square. So it is equal to 3 raised to the power of 1 upon 4 times square root of 3 plus square root of 2. So this is the answer. So this is equal to 3 to the power of 1 upon 4 times square root of 3 plus square root of 2. How did you solve it? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.